What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about HYLIION stock. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to take advantage of this massive opportunity that is presented by this company. We're going to be going over exactly when is going to be the merger date, why the stock keeps going up significantly for the past 2 weeks. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to maximize your profits by getting involved in HYLIION stock. I'm also going to go over exactly what happens in the stock market today, and you're going to be looking at important economic reports that could potentially affect the stock market for tomorrow, guys. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. I'm going to go over all this important information coming up. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below, guys. So as you can see over here, we got Tortoise Acquisitions, ticker symbol SHLL or HYLIION stock. It's up 12.23%, and after hours it's also up 1.38%. I'm gonna go exactly why this stock keeps going and skyrocketing to the upside. As you can see from last week, we're currently sitting at up 37.82%. So the main reason the stock is up today is because the company announced their earnings on Friday afternoon. They filed, basically the Tortoise Acquisitions filed an SEC filings that described exactly their earnings for HYLIION stock. As you can see over here, we're going to compare the Q1 and the Q2 reports. So as you can see, the Q2 the operating loss was 3.42 million, interest expense 1.6, net loss 5.5, net loss per share is 0.17, which is better than 0.23. And the cash at quarter end is for Q2 is going to be 3.3, whereas in Q1 it's 6.02. So there you can see that their cash got drawn down a little bit to the downside by $2.7 million, but we don't have to worry because once this merger is complete, HYLIION stock is going to be having approximately $560 million in cash. So that is really fantastic. And now when we look at exactly when is going to be the merger date, the only thing that's remaining is going to be for Tortoise Acquisition shareholders to vote on the merger proposal. That is happening next month, and the specific date for that event is going to be approximately in September 15th. So we're definitely going to be knowing if they're going to be merging pretty soon. Of course, there's no hiccups or anything like that happening. This merger is going to happen in September 15th. If that does not happen, we will know. And HYLIION stock would also going to have the rights to take on debt and go on their own by September 16th. As you can see over here, it says that HYLIION has the right to take on additional debt without Tortoise consent if the deal does not close by September 16th. So that is going to be it, guys. So we know exactly when the merger date is going to happen. It's going to be in September, at least by September 15th. We'll know, guys. So that is really fantastic because as you can see over here, the stock, it was consolidating at $20. Now it's up 12.3%, and for the past 2 weeks we're up 37%, guys. So now what is going to be coming up pretty soon? This is the stock going to double. I made a video about it a few days ago. There's definitely going to be high potential for this company. So if you want to take advantage of it, in this video I'm going to explain to you guys how to maximize your profits by using options, guys. So I had a question about exactly how to maximize your profit using options. I'm going to explain to you the power of options and how to use it specifically on HYLIION stock. So this is going to be the options chain that we're going to be using, which is for ticker symbol SHLL. So if you open up your broker account, you can follow along. If you don't have Robinhood, you can definitely open it like on Webull or TD Ameritrade, but the strike prices and all of these numbers are going to be similar. It's just the interface that's different right now, and the expiration date that you want to be picking is going to be September 18th. Depends, since we know exactly they're going to be finishing the deal by September 15th. To be safe, you can do it October 16, January 15, 2021, but I just chose September 18. So that is going to be the expiration date that I'm going to use, which is super important. And also I'm going to be using call options to maximize our profit. So in short, you're buying call options if you believe the stock is going to go to the upside. On the right side, these are strike prices. So if you believe HYLIION stock is going to be at $35 by September 18, you can buy this option contract for $2.30, and you multiply $2.30 times 100. That is going to give you $230. So if you have $230, you can buy one contract. Now this one contract is going to be representing 100 shares, so that is a lot of leverage, guys. So that basically going to give you the power of having exactly 100 shares of Hyliion stock. So that is fantastic. So if you buy 10 contracts of Hyliion stock, it's only going to cost you $2,300, but you're going to have 1,000 shares exposure of this company. So when the stock moves significantly to the upside, it's just like your profit is going to be like owning 1,000 shares. So that is the power of options and leverage. I know it's super powerful and it's super tempting to go all in and buy these options, but there's a lot of risk when it comes to it. But I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can protect yourself also. So the other important thing I want to cover is, let's say that you don't have a lot of money. Let's say you have $200, right? So you have $200 and you want to get involved in this company. The maximum that you can buy for $200, you divide that. The current share price is $27.80. You can only buy 7 shares of Hyliion stock at this price. So if the stock goes $10 to the upside, so if it goes to $37, you're only going to be making $70. So you're going to make $71.90. It's not that bad, but you can definitely use this strategy, a call debit spread. So what you want to do is you want to come, this is basically the top strike prices that we're looking at right now. They only have 30 and 35 available. So you can go to your broker and then you can come over here and then you can click on the 30 strike price. You click on it, I make sure to buy over here. And then you come in here and then you click on the sell and you go to the top over here, which is the 35. And then you're going to create a call debit spread. So you're going to be only required to have $100 to get involved in this trade. With $100, your maximum profit is you're going to be calculating your maximum profit by subtracting the higher strike price, which is the $35 over here. 35 minus 30, which is going to give us $5 you subtract, and then you're going to subtract the total amount of money that you're going to be paying to get involved in this trade, which is going to be $1. So you subtract minus 1, you're going to be required 4, you multiply that by 100, that is going to give you $400 of profit. So if you have $200, you can buy 2 of these call debit spreads and you can make $800. You can make $800. And for for $200, you can only buy 7 shares, and the stock price goes to 37, you could have only made $71. But by using options, by using this specific strategy, by using the call debit spread, you buy 2 options call debit spread, you can take advantage of and be able to make $800. So that is going to be the power of options. But now let's talk about exactly what happened to the stock market today. As you can see over here, we had a relatively flat day. We gapped up in the morning to the upside, and then we just basically consolidated. The president came out in the afternoon to talk about some things, but that really did not affect the stock market prices. There is a little bit of volatility that happened, but the market really just consolidated the entire day. And the economic reports that we talked about yesterday was the NAHB Home Builders Index. So the number came out pretty good at 78. So that's why you get to see that the real estate sector had a relatively solid day today. The REITs also had solid good today. And also we talked about this Home Depot. They're going to be reporting earnings pretty soon. You got Lowe's coming up. HD going to be reporting earnings tomorrow. So we're definitely going to be watching that earnings specifically, which is going to be happening before market open. Walmart is going to be also reporting earnings before market open. We got the healthcare stocks that have been going to the upside. Tesla stock got upgraded, just moving to the upside. Nvidia, which is going to be reporting earnings pretty soon. It's going to be on Wednesday after market close. And we also had some bank stocks that really dragged us down to the downside. So the financial sectors was the one that dragged us to the downside, guys. So relatively the market was just balanced, guys. So now let's look at exactly what is going to be the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow, August 18. So at 8:30 a.m. we got the housing start SAAR report for July. The previous was 1.186 million and the forecast is 1.252 million. And at 8:30 a.m. also we got the building permits SAAR. That's going to be for the period of July. The previous was 1.241 and the median forecast is 1.33 million. So if the numbers fluctuate either the upside or the downside, we can definitely see some of this sector, especially the real estate, might have a reaction to these numbers, guys. So definitely keep an eye on it, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure to check out the Discord link, and also there's going to be a link for Webull and for the Patreon page if you guys want to join and support the channel. I appreciate it, guys. So also make sure you have a solid plan before you open any position, guys. Let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.